This is Brad Harvey with Harvey Investment Management, and today's question that we're going to answer is, will AI, or artificial intelligence, eventually take over investing? This is something that's been in the news a lot lately, although it's not a new concept. Machine learning and artificial intelligence has been around in some way, shape, or form really since the 80s that I'm aware of. But it is getting a lot more press now because computers are getting strong enough so that they can actually crunch these numbers and be much smarter than they have been. I personally think that artificial intelligence is always going to be a tool. Whether it's algorithmic or some other fancy phrase or computer software coding or hardware, it's a tool. It helps us all to do our jobs better. Does that mean that it won't eliminate some jobs? It absolutely will. Look at this. If you were an elevator operator when elevators came out, eventually elevators didn't need an operator. That's an example of technology changing up the way the workforce is. There are a lot of people that are saying that AI is going to replace white-collar workers, skilled workers. Again, it's probably going to supplement engineering and advisory fields, including investment advice, and make us better at what we do. But do I think that machines are going to replace people in the financial services industry or in the other advice businesses? I don't think so anytime soon. I think at the end of the day, most people that are wealthy really prefer to have a person that's overseeing some of those technology pieces that are in place to manage and research for those portfolios. So this is Brad Harvey answering the question, will AI change up the investment landscape?